We've got here a Mavic 2 Pro drone. We're going to power up the remote control. Okay, and then we power up the unit. In the phone, if you have DJI Fly, you can see it just connected all by itself. I didn't even open this app. And you click on Go Fly. Safety tips. It's showing the camera of the drone. My hand is waving, see? The purpose of this, okay, I'll show you a couple items. There's some kind of release thing that you can use the drone for, I guess. I looked it up, and this goes in front of one of the lights on the leg. And when the light turns off with the switch, it releases a clip, and you can drop fish hooks or something from it. I don't know. But it has a cord. There's a charge cable for the remote. Here's a upgraded cable between the remote and your phone. This phone is not included. This is my phone. It's not included. There's an extra battery. There's a battery. You can see it's fully charged. There's, of course, the charger. And there's these three little things, but they don't work very well. So I recommend just using a regular cable and plugging into the bottom of the remote. I had problems doing that. And I had to calibrate this to get it to work. I had to have a monitor that was 1920 by 1080. And then it worked. Then it calibrated perfectly. Anything else I tried did not work. And that was on Windows 10. Okay, so you can see it's working. I have found the camera, see the camera, it's looking straight ahead. When you turn the little wheel on the remote, it's supposed to move. And it's not moving. I don't know what that means, but we wanted to let you know that that might be an issue. We don't know. That's the only thing I could find. Latest firmware. There's some kind of warning here. Let's click and see what it says. Navigation system, check redundancy state. Okay, I'm starting the aircraft. If you get the screen here, it's initializing something. Okay. If you remember, I said that the camera wouldn't move up and down when I did the wheel on the remote. You can see it's showing an image, but and I can move it, and it is working, but it says gimbal motor overloaded, and we're not sure what that means, but we'll show you. No? Here, I'll come down lower. How's that? Okay, I'm gonna turn to the right. Then I'm gonna turn to the left. Then I'm gonna go to the left. Then I'm gonna go to the right. Then I'm gonna go forward. Then I'm gonna go back. And then I'm gonna go up. And I'm gonna go down. So you can see that it's doing exactly what I'm telling it to do. As far as the little camera communication, I'm not really sure, but it hold on to it. And I have let's see, I need to turn to the left a little bit, and then we'll back up. See if we can get us a little landing pad. Okay. That's it. Have a good one.